Breathe that in. I am. I am. I am. I am. As we enter a time of meditation together, I'd invite you to breathe in deeply. Breathe out. Center yourself. I am that living expression of God. Let tension leave your body if there's tension in your shoulders. Take a moment. Hear that phrase, I am, resounding in your mind. Take a moment. Feel that down deep in your very bones. I am. Oh, that gives me shivers. I am. I am. I am. You might say it tentatively at first, I am. And yet, we can step into that knowledge, into that knowing, I am. It's a deep, deep knowing in your very, very core. So what I'd like us to imagine today is that there's a tremendous bubble around you. And this bubble comes up from your feet. And this bubble says, I am. And this bubble expands up around your torso. And you say, I am. And this bubble extends up around your shoulders as you claim, I am. And it extends up and above your head as you claim, I am. And that bubble now will penetrate all the way into your body, into your very bones, into your core, into your blood, into every cell of your body. Every cell is a little mini universe that says, I am. As you breathe in the I am, let all doubt leave. Let fear leave. Let worry, anxiety drop away as you step into that knowledge. I am. That divine expression of God moving in this world. And for the next moment or two, let that pulsing bubble surround you, penetrate, infiltrate into your very core. I am. as you breathe in, a deep, deep breath, cleansing, filling you up. I am, I am, I am. And so it is.